Welcome to Exams A to Z. In this video, we shall discuss some of the MCQs, objective questions regarding international relations or international bodies or any international organization or international events. National Day of Mauritius is celebrated on which of the following day? March 11th, March 12th, March 13th, March 14th. So which of the following day National Day of Mauritius is celebrated? It is celebrated on March 12th. Why? What is the reason? Why? Because Mauritius has close relationship with that of India. India and Mauritius has close relationship. So as a tribute to Mahatma Gandhi, and not only to Mahatma Gandhi, Indian freedom struggle also, the National Day of Mauritius is celebrated on March 12th. Why it is celebrated on March 12th? On March 12th, Dandi March, Salt March was initiated by Mahatma Gandhi ji. So that is the reason the National Day of Mauritius is celebrated on March 12th as a tribute to Mahatma Gandhi. World Hindi Secretariat is located in which of the following country? India, Pakistan, Fiji, Mauritius. World Hindi Secretariat. Here India, Pakistan, Fiji, Mauritius. All these countries has Hindi speaking people. Okay. So here World Hindi Secretariat, it is located in Mauritius. This secretariat started functioning from February 2008. It includes 5 countries. This World Hindi Secretariat consists of 5 countries, that is India, Mauritius, Fiji, Suriname and Nepal. Why it is in news? Why? Because recently it was inaugurated. New building of this World Hindi Secretariat was inaugurated. Remember it. Which of the following country is called Little India? Little India. Have you ever heard about it? Nepal, Bhutan, Fiji, Mauritius. Out of which of the following countries is called as Little India? It is Mauritius. Why Mauritius? Why? Because 75% of its population is of Indian origin. 75% of population. Why? Because during before independence and at the time of European arrival and until the independence or after till the independence, here most of the people from India went to or shifted as laborers to this Mauritius. They have transported, generally with regard to Africa, if we discuss it, as a slaves, but here as a laborers they have shifted. Indians are shifted from Mauritius to the from India to the Mauritius. So that is the reason 75% of Mauritius population is of Indian origin. Which of the following country was first to receive COVID-19 vaccine from India? Mauritius, Maldives, Nepal, Bhutan. It is the Maldives that has received. So India is following COVID vaccine diplomacy, COVID-19 vaccines. India has given more vaccines for its neighborhood countries. Not only the neighborhood countries, most of the countries, for Brazil, not only Brazil, many other countries. So it is called as, now we are calling it as a vaccine diplomacy. Means we are maintaining our friendly relationship or we are enhancing our friendly relationship with vaccines. Even within the people of India, even the vaccines provided to the world is greater than vaccines that are given to the people of India. Understood? So, vaccine diplomacy. First country to receive vaccines is Maldives. Which of the following country was first to receive COVID-19? Yeah, this already we had discussed. Who among the following is not a member of Comprehensive and Progressive Agreement for Trans-Pacific Partnership? Comprehensive and Progressive Agreement for Trans-Pacific Partnership. This Trans-Pacific Partnership, which we have hearing from the long back. Here, USA is not the member. Previously, actually USA has worked very hard to make this Trans-Pacific Partnership to become realized. But what happened? Under the Comprehensive and Progressive Agreement for Trans-Pacific Partnership, under the Donald Trump, this USA has withdrawn from this Trans-Pacific Partnership. Even though they did not sign anything, but it said that we are dropping from this Trans-Pacific Partnership deal. So what are the other countries that are in the Trans-Pacific Partnership? This other than USA, they call this Comprehensive and Progressive Agreement for Trans-Pacific Partnership. So it includes Canada, Mexico, Peru, Chile, Japan, Vietnam, Malaysia, Singapore, Brunei, Australia, and New Zealand. So it is a huge, they are called as 11 Pacific Rim nations. The together GDP is 13.5 trillion in GDP. Why it is in news? Why? Because UK is willing to join this Comprehensive and Progressive Agreement for Trans-Pacific Partnership. So that is the reason it is in news. What is the advantage for the UK to join in this? If UK joins with this CPTPP markets, then it will have greater access to its goods in other markets. It can do more trade at this juncture of Brexit. So that is the reason it is trying to join. So we shall discuss this international relations or international objective questions on international organizations, relations, bodies and issues. All these questions are useful for your APPSC Group 2 preparation or CAPF, SSC or Railways or CDS, Combined Defense Service. For all these exams it is useful so that you can prepare well and regularly follow these objective questions and subscribe, share and like this Exams A to Z.